Welcome to our 2605 release highlight. In this release, we introduced Vendor Managed Inventory, or VMI, in SAP IBP. As a vendor, you can now plan, replenish, and manage inventory at your customer locations directly from SAP IBP, with a fully automated flow through to execution in SAP S/4HANA. Let's start in the Planner Workspace. Here we are planning replenishment for a VMI customer location. Notice the new VMI plant type assigned to this location. This is what identifies it as a vendor-managed customer site in SAP IBP. We receive a forecast for the upcoming weeks directly at the customer location by entering demand here. The system has full visibility into what the customer needs to be replenished. Now let's trigger the supply planning run. The system evaluates the demand at the VMI customer location and, based on the transportation lane between the customer location and vendor distribution center DC71, automatically generates stock transfer requisitions. Let's go to the Projected Stock app and look at the VMI Customer 1 location. The STRs created by the planning run are now visible here. Planners have full control over which STRs should actually be sent to the customer. And this is where the new conversion indicator comes in. You can see the conversion indicator column here. It shows whether an STR has been marked for conversion into a VMI sales order. The planner reviews the proposals and marks the stock transfer requisitions for conversion. Once marked, the order is locked for changes and is ready for handoff to execution. Once an STR is marked, real-time integration picks it up automatically. RTI identifies which STRs are VMI relevant based on the conversion indicator and creates a corresponding VMI sales order in SAP S/4HANA. No manual order entry. The planning proposal flows directly into execution. Let's refresh the projected stock. Now you can see the result on both sides of the supply chain. On the vendor distribution center DC71, the STR has been replaced by a VMI sales order. And on the VMI customer location node, you now see a VMI sales order receipt, the incoming replenishment at the customer site. Both sides, one connected view, fully synchronized with SAP S/4HANA. In SAP S/4HANA, an outbound delivery is created from the VMI sales order and goods are issued. When this happens, the delivery flows back to SAP IBP through RTI and replaces the VMI sales order with the delivery document. The planner sees the updated picture in real time. Replenishment is now on its way. Back in the Planner Workspace, we can now see the new VMI-specific key figures, VMI sales order receipt and VMI delivery receipt. These give you full visibility into the execution status directly in your planning view, without switching to another system. Thank you for exploring vendor-managed inventory in our latest release. From forecast to delivery, one automated flow, no manual handoffs. Plan smarter. Replenish automatically. Thank you for watching.